Hi everyone, how's it going everybody? In this tutorial we are going to make two simple histogram apps. Remember, we don't want to use any matplotlib and other packages because it's a simple exercise. We will cover that subjects later. For now, we want to write an app to get a space separated list and make a histogram just in one line. I want to teach you some Python tricks in this tutorial so we make it in just one line. Remember that user don't know what is a list, so we make a space separated list like this. Okay, so let's go ahead. Here we are working with a sequence of items, so we make a for loop over the sequence and split the numbers we got with a space. Okay, and then we have to print this object. And what is this object? Go to fontawesome.com and you can use this kind of objects and they work in all systems. And you can search also in more than 13,000 different icons. For example, I search for a square. Can you see? A square small, a square right, a square, and so on. So after this, we want to print it several times. So we make the item, because it's a number, and we want to make histogram from this number. We make it int and make the name n. It's better. And it's complete now, but we want also check if user input is numeric or not in just one line. Isnumeric is a built-in method to check whether a given string is a number or not. Else, do nothing. If you don't use an else statement in one-line conditions, you will get an error. It's complete now. Let's go to the next exercise. The second and more important app we want to make is to write a Python program to count the number of characters, character frequency, in a string and make a histogram. We want this functionality in our app. For example, exercises, we get 3 of E, that's true, 1 X, 1 R, 1 C, 1 I, and 2 S. Run again, grandpa. 2A and others are just 1. For example, regular, 2R and others. If you give it a sentence, it will work too. Pause the video and think about this app. First, we need to get a user input, and then we trim the white spaces. I want to trim the white spaces. You can do not. After that, we make a dictionary and name it result. And take care. Empty curly brackets are dictionaries, not sets. We have made this dictionary to hold the count of any character. Characters are key and counts are values. And then another one-line condition for each character in the user input. If it doesn't exist in results, we need to make it by giving value 1 to its key. Otherwise, if that character exists in the result else statement, we know that we have to increase its value by 1 because it exists from before and we know there is something else. For example, we have a R word and it's another R word and we have to increase the value of R from 1 to 2 maybe. If there is no key in a dictionary, we can simply write something like this and add 1. There is not a C key in this dictionary and we added it up. We made it. And after that, we have a result dictionary with values. We want to print it to just show you what is this. And let's run the program once. For example, river. Can you see? R equals 2, I key value 2, I value 1, V 1, E 1. And now we want to make a histogram with this data. For each item in the result dictionary, we want to print the item and that special character value of the item times. Also, we want to see how many items are there by number, not chart. Let's run the program and river. Also, it's better to clear that print result statement. Another example, hotspot. Is it okay? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If any question, write your question down in the comment section below, and please like and share and subscribe. It motivates me to make better content for you.